welcome to the another video of choppers that in power electronics. So in this video we are going to learn about the class A chopper, or you can call it as two quadrant type A chopper. Both means same. So this is the circuit diagram, and this chopper works in the first quadrant as well as in the second quadrant depending upon the position of switches S1 and S2. So by operating S1 and S2 we can bring the chopper operation as per our requirement, that is in the first quadrant or in the second quadrant. So as usual I have predetermined the or pre-assumed the current direction and the voltage polarity in this way. So case number 1, when S1 is on, that is switch or the chopper is closed or turned on. So my current direction I0 will be starting flows from VDC plus terminal to S1, S1 to L. Here the L is getting charged, and from L to back to the source VDC. Here there is terms like R and E also. For simplicity I am eliminating these two, because after S1 definitely it will pass through R, but no need to specify this R and E in this particular current direction, because there won't be any action that will be happening here. But in the inductor there will be definitely charging of the current takes place. So that is why I have neglected R and E. So here the current direction is positive, because my assumed direction and the actual direction when the switch S1 is closed are same. As there is a VDC term involved, I can definitely find out the output polarity. See here, this is the plus terminal of the source and this is the plus terminal of the load. Both are connected together without any changes in polarity. So definitely this is in the positive direction. So this is happening. So from here only one can say that it is operating in quadrant 1, because I0 and V0 are positive here. So that's fine. Now let us try to understand when S1 is in the off position. When S1 is in the off position, here the inductor got charged in the previous case here. So in this way it got charged. So definitely in this way it will discharge. So my discharging current will flow in this particular way, in this particular loop, because it won't go here or here, because here if it goes, okay, it will go, but this whatever the diode it is there, it will be reverse bias, because it won't be in reverse bias, it will be in forward bias, but here there is an opposition force. So definitely my current won't go there as there is opposition force. But whereas if you see, it can definitely reach its original path from where it is originated. So definitely the current will circulate in this particular small loop. So when switch S1 is off, the circulating current direction would be like from L plus terminal to, this is the plus terminal, from E to D2, from D2 again back to the L minus. So here L minus means the inductor got discharged here. So here also if you see, the assumed direction and the particular direction after turning of the S1 are same. So I0 is again positive here, but V0 we can't say here, but we can blindly say it as positive, because our class C chopper will definitely operate in Q1 when S1 is off. So this is what the first quadrant operation of this particular class C chopper. Now let us try to understand with respect to switch 2. Now when switch 2 is on condition, so when you are turning on the switch, there must be two particular conditions, that is EMF must be present, EMF must be present in load side. Definitely it should have, and the particular polarity should be also as shown in this particular circuit diagram. So now what happens to my load current direction? So now E will supply the energy, as there is no connection between this VDC, that is source, and the load, as S1 is open and S2 is closed. So my current starts flowing in this particular direction, that is from E plus terminal to, this is the plus terminal and this is the minus terminal. So from E plus terminal to inductor, here inductor is getting charged, from there to S2, and from S2 again back to E minus. So here I naught is getting reversed because my assumed was in this way and my actual current is in this way. So I naught is negative, as there is no VDC term. Now itself I can't say the output voltage polarity. Now what we will do is, now let us turn off this chopper 2 or the switch 2. Now what happens if I switch off the chopper 2? The current will start coming from the inductor, because in previous case L has been stored some energy, so now it has to discharge. In previous condition, it has charged in which direction? From E to L, means in this way it has got discharged. Now what happens is, this is plus and this is minus when it is charging, so definitely this will become plus and now this will become minus. So from L plus 2 it will go to D1, from D1 to plus VDC, from VDC to again back to L minus. Here if you can see why my current is going from D1 and why not it is not going here, because here switch is definitely off, so infinity resistance. Here the diode D2 is in reverse bias, so again infinity resistance, so definitely it will choose the path as in this way, that is from L to D1, D1 to VDC, VDC to again back to the inductor source. So in this way it is going. So what about my current direction? Again the current direction is opposite to the previous way, and there is a VDC term here involved. So if you see, this is the plus terminal of the VDC and this is the plus terminal of the load. Again plus is connected to plus terminal of the load. Source plus and load plus are connected together, so there is no change in polarity here also for voltage. So I naught is reversed definitely, and V naught is positive. Definitely. So this is how you are getting this quadrant 2 operation here. Hope you are clear. You just focus on the charging and discharging of inductor, and there one important condition, that is EMF must be present in the load side when you are turning on the chopper 2. In order to get the particular second quadrant operation, this must be happen in the circuit. So this is about the quadrant 2 quadrant type A chopper, or you can call it as a class C chopper. So thank you for watching this, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in our next video, that is about class D chopper, guys.